Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create your own Flash token on the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. For this process we will need a certain amount of ETH. You need at least 0.12 ETH. If you use less, the tokens may not appear. With this investment, we will be able to issue approximately 70,000 Flash USDT. Let's begin. Go to Remix IDE and create a new file named USDT in Sol format. Insert the code into this file, which you will find in the description below. Next, go to the compilation section and select version 0.6.6 plus. Then click on compile. Once you see that everything has compiled successfully, we can move on. Now let's deploy our contract. Go to the deployment section below. First, connect your wallet by selecting Wallet Connect. I recommend using MetaMask, as I've had fewer issues with it compared to other wallets. Scroll down, and in the token name field, enter the name of your token. In my case, it's USDT. For the token symbol, if you are creating an ERC20 token, write ERC20. For TRC tokens, simply write TRC20. Click on the transaction button. A window titled Round the number to an integer will appear. This helps avoid errors related to gas fees when confirming the transaction. Once this is done, wait for the confirmation. Great. The transaction was successful, and we have created our contract. Next, we need to fund our contract. Copy your contract address and transfer 0.12 ETH to it. Just a small reminder, sending a smaller amount may lead to issues later on. Now let's wait for the transaction confirmation. In Remix, click the Run button. Round the value to a whole number again and confirm the transaction. We can see that our tokens have been successfully created. The final step is to withdraw them. Click Withdraw and follow the same procedure as before. Wait for the confirmation. All set. Now let's check our balance. We can see that our tokens have been successfully created.